Hi everybody, it's Kerry Ellison at Keller Williams Realty. Happy New Year. We are so looking forward to 2026 in real estate, and we look forward to serving you. You know, the most common question I get day in and day out is, what do I do in this market? Do I buy? Do I sell? Do I hold? You know, and those are questions we've all got to answer ourselves. And I think the question is, depending on who you are and what your situation is, it's a great time to buy. What I will share with you is a little bit of the market update and what is going on in our market here in Central Arkansas. I just ran some numbers before we got here and just giving you guys a quick market update. If you are looking at selling a house under $500,000, it's a great time to sell and a good time to buy. We've got a little bit less than a 2-month inventory out there. What that means to you as a buyer is you might get some negotiation power. You might get some closing costs paid. You might get some repairs done. If you're a seller, you should still expect to get a good offer. You might get full price depending on the condition of your home. If you're in the market from $300,000 to $800,000, the market's a little bit slower. It's about a 3-month inventory, which, by the way, that's the lowest number we've seen in probably 2 years. And if you're in that house and you're sized out and you're like, I need more room, interest rates have dropped. We're under 6%. We've got buy down opportunities. It is a great time for you to get moving. You know, the other common thing I've heard that just almost shocked me is that the average homeowner today in today's world has 37% equity in their house. You know, we get asked a lot of times, are there short sales coming? Are we going to have foreclosures? And what we're being told across the industry is really we're not, because the average homeowner post-COVID is sitting with 37% equity in their home. And then I get asked all the time, should I buy or should I sell? Should I give up that 3% interest rate and get a 6%? What benefit does that have to me? Reach out to me. Let me know. We'd love to tell you how much equity you actually have in your home and is it a good time to buy for you? And we can also give you a case by case by what's going on in the market. So again, reach out. We'd love to help you. Happy 2026.